Let's do a quick unboxing of this Motorola One Hyper. Now, these in 2021 are available at about £170, so it's quite a decent price. Now, it will come with 4 gig of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, and the screen is 6.5 inches. So let's have a look, see what you get. Okay, so there's the phone. You've got the power button, volume controls. It does actually come in this clear plastic bumper case, which I think is quite a nice thing to get just in the box. Saves you getting one of those separately. You've got the dual cameras on the back, one wide angle lens, one standard lens. Now that's the standard lens is 64 megapixels, which is on the high side, it's pretty decent. And the pop-up selfie camera is 32 megapixels, which is pretty good too. And that has a 1080p resolution. We've still got the 3.5mm headphone jack on the top there. And that's where the camera pops out for the selfie camera. Down at the bottom, we've got a USB-C connector and a grill for the speaker. Around the side would be the SIM tray. I can't get to that with the bumper case on. See what else you get in the box. Usual instruction manuals, pokey thing to get the SIM card out. Pair of headphones, or earbuds I should say. USB-C cable, and that is USB-C on both ends. And then we've got a USB-C charger. Now this is the 28 watts, let me just check. It says 27 watts of power on this adapter. Now the box mentions that there's a 45 watt charging option. That isn't what you get in the box, you'll have to buy that separately, but that will charge the phone really quickly. Inside the phone is a 4000 milliamp hour battery, and it has got NFC built in, so some of the Motorola phones don't, and I think that's a bit of a shame if you do want to pay by contactless, but this does have it built in. There's no Face ID, but it has got the touch fingerprint unlock on the back there. And the screen is a pretty decent resolution compared to some of the Motorola range. So it's 1080 by 2340. So it's pretty high res. And just be careful if you're looking at a lower end of the Motorola range. They tend to put in relatively low res screens into those. So this one will look a lot more crisp on that 6.5 inch screen. It doesn't feel too heavy, it's 210 grams, and that's excluding the bumper case. But it feels pretty good, hefty, but not bad. It will ship with Android 10, hopefully that will get upgraded to 11 when that's released. But overall, for the price, 170 quid, 128 gig of storage is pretty decent. It does say on the box, which I really like, how much usable space there'll be. 110 gig is going to be usable out of that 128. The rest is for built-in apps and things like that. But the amount of built-in cruft and apps that from Motorola are at a minimum, especially compared to other brands which just chuck on tons of stuff that you can't get off. So it's quite a clean Android experience out of this. Anyway, I hope this has been useful. I'm not going to go into the software or anything in this video. It's giving you a look of what's in the box and what the hardware looks like. Anyway, thanks for watching.